People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti staged a protest in the Islamabad district against the detention of party workers and the polling agents by the police ahead of the Indian parliamentary elections in the territory. The sit-in protest, which was held outside the Bijbihara police station in the district, saw the PDP supporters raising slogans against the administration and demanding the end to the harassment of the party workers. All parties Hurriyat Conference has strongly condemned the Narendra Modi-led Indian government for its nefarious tactics aimed at misleading the international community about the prevailing dire situation in the occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Modi regime has snatched the fundamental rights of the people of the occupied territory. High Court in occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention under the Black Law, the Public Safety Act, of the three Kashmiris. Justice Puneet Gupta was hearing the separate petitions filed by Sartaj Ahmed Naik, Irfan Ahmed and Ghulam Mohyuddin Lone, challenging the detention order passed on the various grounds. Massive fire broke out in a forest area in the Kulgam district. The fire started this afternoon and spread vast in the forest area of the Kazigunj in the district. Indian police arrested two youth in the Doda district. The Indian troops during house raids arrested Muhammad Salim and Muhammad Yaqub in Bhadarwa area of the district.